Hello and welcome back. I'm going to talk about best Italian inventions which makes our life easy. Let's get started. Number 1, jeans. Especially blue ones are usually identified with American culture, but their origins are Italian. In fact, denim can be tracked back to the northern city of Genoa in the 17th century, where the cloth was worn by sailors. It is thought that the word jeans comes from the French word for Genoa, jeans. Interesting, isn't it? Now, when you wear your jeans, say thanks to Italy. Number 2, jacuzzi. Relaxing in a jacuzzi may be a fun way to unwind after a hard day's work. But the first whirlpool bath was in fact designed as a hydrotherapeutic device for pain relief. It was invented in 1949 by Candido Jacuzzi, an Italian immigrant to the United States, for his toddler son Kenny. Remember, when you jump into the jacuzzi, proud to be an Italian if you are. Number 3, telephone. Although Alexander Bell was the first to be awarded a patent for the electric telephone, Italian Antonio Meucci is often credited as the true inventor of the phone. The Italian immigrant to the US began developing a voice communication device called the teletrofono in 1849. True, it didn't look back like a telephone, but it apparently worked. Only in 2002 was his role in the invention process acknowledged by the US Congress. Thanks Italian for their telephone invention. Number 4, battery. The first electric battery, the voltaic pile, was created by Alessandro Volta. The name should give you a clue. Do you got it? Okay, who published his findings in 1800. It was the first practical way of generating electricity that could continuously provide an electrical current to the circuit. Number 5, espresso machine. No great surprise, the espresso machine is an Italian invention. It was built and patented by Turin-based Angelo Moriondo, who when demonstrated it at the Turin General Exposition of 1884. Later the machine was improved by Milanese mechanic Luigi Bizzarri. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like the videos for more. See you soon. Bye bye.